Okay, students, in this video, I am going to teach. About exercise 1.3, problem number 12. Students, this is a very important problem. This particular problem, we are going to see how a function is going to be a bijective function and how will you find its inverse. Okay, students, in the introductory part I told how you have to prove like a bijective function. Bijective means both one to one and onto. And to find the inverse, certain procedure, 4 steps I told. Okay, so the 4 steps you have to remember. Okay, first we will see how to prove this function as a bijective function. Then we will see how to find the inverse of the function. Okay, students. So if f r to r, real number to real number, is defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. This is a given function in the analytical form, like y is equal to f of x. Then prove that f is a bijection. Okay, and find its inverse. Students, same model example also there. So listen carefully. Okay. So now, first I want to prove one-to-one function. Solution one-to-one. So what is the procedure to prove one-to-one? You have to make f of x is equal to f of y. Then prove that x is equal to y. Enough. F of x is equal to f of y. F of x is equal to f of y, you have to assume. Then you have to prove x is equal to y. Then different elements have different images, something like that. So it is a one-to-one function. So here first I am proving one-to-one. F of x is equal to f of y. So what is f of x? The given function 3x minus 5. What is f of y? Simply in place of x replace y. Okay, so 3 by minus 5. So minus 5 gets cancelled because both are same value. Then we left with 3x is equal to 3y. 3 gets cancelled, right? Therefore x is equal to y. So students, whenever you will get x is equal to y, then it is one-to-one function. So therefore it is one-to-one. So we proved f of x, the given function, as one-to-one function. Now second one is very important. You have to prove it as onto function. Okay, first let me tell what is an onto function. Onto function means every element in codomain should have some pre-image in domain. Okay, that means the given function y is equal to f of x, you have to get the value of x in terms of y. Okay, so that's what we are going to do here. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. So y minus 5 bring this side plus 5 is equal to 3x. Now what is the value of x? Y plus 5 by 3. Because here 3 is in multiplication, when you come this side division. So this is the situation now. This is y, this is x value, because generally function is from x to y. So what is x value? Y plus 5 by 3. Y value, this is a input like codomain. Okay. Now we will see. So you see here, for every y, belongs to real number, there is some pre-image here. For example, if I take 1 plus 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 2. For example, if I take 0 also a real number, no? 0 plus 5 by 3, 5 by 3. For example, minus 2 I took, minus 2 plus 5 by 3, 3 by 3, 1. So for every y belongs to R, in codomain, there exists pre-image y plus 5 by 3 belongs to R in domain. So this is very important. Okay, so you have to write the conclusion and you have to check also. F of x is equal to y also you should check. Okay, students, listen carefully. First you have to take the given function, then you find the value of x in terms of y, then you have to check for every y, okay, belongs to R in codomain, because y values நம்ம இங்க real values தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். Okay, for every y belongs to R in codomain, there exists pre-image means what? X. Y plus 5 by 3 belongs to R in domain, then it is onto. So now it is onto, because every element y belongs to R, there exists some pre-image x. Okay, that we should write first conclusion. Then We will check also. Okay, students, now listen carefully. So now that conclusion I wrote it here. See the conclusion here. See the conclusion. See here, for every y belongs to R in codomain. That means codomain la ella y values me. But on the y values real number la irkanam. There exists pre-image, that is x value. What is x value we got? Y plus 5 by 3 belongs to R in domain. So onto function anna odane ungalku codomain elements only you should see. Codomain la irukra ella elements me pre-image irka illaya domain lo. That is only thing you are going to check. So therefore it is onto. Okay sir, we proved it is onto, but how will you check whether it is onto or not? Na, you should check this condition. Like f of x is equal to y. Like in theory part I told f of x is equal to b. So instead of a, x, b, y. So now we will check f of x. What is x value we got? Y plus 5 by 3. F of x, what is the function they given? 3x minus 5. So 3 into x க்கு பதிலா நம்ம இந்த வேல்யூ தான் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். Minus 5. அப்போ 3 cancel. So y plus 5 minus 5. 5 cancel. That is y. Okay. So f of x is equal to y. We got f of x as y. That's it. So you can check this is correct or wrong also. If you substitute x as like this, you should get y in the original function. Okay. So it is a bijection. So students, we proved it is 1 to 1. We proved it is onto function. The function which is 1 to 1 and onto, okay, is known as a bijective function. So it is a bijection. So if it is a bijective function, inverse exists. Inverse exists. So now we have to find the inverse. Students, I told how to find the inverse. There are two methods are there. Fogg-Goff method, like Ix, Iy method. But another method also there. I told 4 steps are there to prove the given function is how to find the inverse of the given function. What are the 4 steps? Just I will recollect you students. First, express y is equal to f of x. First step. Second one, bring the value of x in terms of y. Whatever the expression of y you got, write it as f inverse of y. Fourth step, replace y as x. That's it. 4 steps. These 4 steps are there in your textbook also, students. Anyway, I will tell the page number. I explained in the introduction part also. So if you want one more time, I will tell the page number. Working rule to find the inverse of the function from R to R. It is there in page number 33. 33 4 points are there just to go through. Anyway, I told all the 4 points. First one, write y is equal to f of x. So this is f of x is equal to y. That means whatever they are given, you should write y is equal to f of x. So y is equal to, what is f of x? 3x minus 5. So this is your first step. This is your first step. Then what is the second step? Second step, what I told, write x in terms of y. X y lo kondu varanum. Okay, that's what previously also we did in onto function. So y plus 5 is equal to 3x. X is equal to y plus 5 by 3. So this is your second step. This is your second step. Okay, this is your first step. This is your second step. So first step, just you should write y is equal to f of x. So f of x they already given. Just you wrote y is equal to f of x. Second step, get the value of x in terms of y. X value y lo kondu varanum. Third step, write f inverse of y, that is equal to expression in y. So f inverse of y is equal to whatever expression you got here, y plus 5 by 3, that you should write f inverse of y. How you got this one as f inverse of y? No, see, f of x is equal to y. So what is f inverse of y? X only. So instead of x, I can write f inverse of y also. So you replace x as f inverse of y, that is y plus 5 by 3. So this is your third step. Fourth step, what I told, replace y as x to find the inverse of the given function. So f inverse of x is equal to x plus 5 by 3. So I am replacing y as x. So x plus 5 by 3. So students, we proved it is we find the inverse of the function also. Okay. So you must remember those 4 steps clearly. First one, write y is equal to f of x, write x in terms of y, write f inverse of y, the expression of in y, replace y as x. If you remember these 4 steps, to find the inverse of the function is very easy. Okay, so if you want 1 to 1, okay, if you want to prove it is 1 to 1, f of x is equal to f of y, then prove x is equal to y. So instead of x and y, n and m also might come. We don't know. But to prove onto function, very important. Okay, you have to concentrate on codomain. So get the value of x in terms of y and check for every value of y belongs to R in codomain, there exists a pre-image in domain or not. Okay, that is the way. How will you prove that result? F of x is equal to y. அந்த மாதிரி f of x substitute பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனில் y வருதா இல்லையா and check பண்ணணும். Okay students, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Next video, next problem, we'll see. Okay, bye.